Alright, so another beautiful day here in Brazil at Porto de Galinhas, my room, and check this view out. There's a little seat that we sit at nighttime, just chill out here. Here's some coconuts, and there's the beach view, literally like a minute walk. Gonna go eat some breakfast now, gonna go up forward. And then later on, we're gonna do a little hotel room swap and go up there and get a full-on beach view. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I'm in the new room now. Here's the balcony and the ocean view. You can't really see it, but check this out. It's beautiful. Woo!